The Angel's Landing hike in Utah was the highlight of a recent trip to the US. It features a really cool and exciting walk along a ridge and starts in the Zion Canyon floor below. After about 45 minutes of climbing up the side of the canyon, you reach Scout's Landing. This is the start of the exciting part. It's a narrow ridge with chains running along the middle to stop you from falling off the 500-meter drop either side of you. It's awesome and the views are amazing. This is me reaching a falls peak. I thought I had reached the end, then I realised I still had one almost vertical climb ahead of me. And finally we made it to the end. Angel's Landing sticks out into the middle of Zion Canyon and provides amazing views everywhere you look.